Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain Freelancer app review to see if it's worth using. So let's dive into it. So talking about Freelancer, the Freelancer's official app brings the full freelancers.com platform to mobile, allowing users to post or bid on jobs, track project progress, chat and receive real-time alerts, ideas for managing work on the go. The app supports project listing, milestone payment tracking, and communication via the iOS or Android, making it convenient for both freelancers and clients. However, the platform has notable drawback. Many users report confusing experience with scam, fake job posting, slow or blocked payment, and unexpectedly high fee. Some freelancers and clients have faced account suspension with little explanation or support. In verdict, the app worth it if you need a mobile access to vast global freelancer marketplace, but proceed with caution due to inconsistent quality, support issues, and competitive and also sometimes problematic environment. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.